What's going on, guys? So it's currently part 2 to the challenge, and one thing I forgot is that I never mentioned like what day we're on. So this is the third week, which makes it tomorrow will make it 15 days. So it's technically day 14. It's been an interesting start to the week, as you probably saw on the part 1, and yeah, it's man, we've let's see. So let's try to break it down. So Monday we had like the comeback trade where we managed to get back up to from like £33 to like £70, and then on Tuesday I think we took a loss on GJ, and then yesterday Wednesday is like where it was, I can't lie, it was madness. And I said to myself from now on, like, the moment I hit the second trade and it's done, whether stop loss or not, like, yo, I'm out. Like, it's only if it's an A+ setup. Like, that's when I'll say, okay, we're in. But other than that, like, yeah, yesterday was crazy. So currently it's Thursday. It's 1:26. So like some news is gonna be coming out. I haven't taken any trades yet, but pardon me, just to show. So the count is at 128. Now I'm just gonna show again. Like, basically, bro, like, I done so much silly stuff. Like, I'll leave that there for you to pause and you can understand. Like, just think that page plus like more. By the way, I'm just in the kitchen. I'm trying to make some food. So yeah, to be fair, like, I could just leave the rest of the week and not trade, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that, guys. So what I'm looking at, honestly, the Forex pairs, man, is wild right now. Donald Trump's speech has made the markets go crazy. Gold dropped like 60 or 80 points, like, from its all-time high. So it's currently at like a buy zone. Not our initial buy zone, which was what was it? 30, 50, but 30, 50, 30, 60. But it's around like the 30, 80 area. So I'm gonna wait for the 4-hour candle to close. It closes in 1 hour and a half, and yeah, we'll see if we can take buys on gold. If not, I'm literally gonna be checking the markets and find an opportunity, because we need to make sure that we go aggressive. Aggressive without over risking and over trading, obviously. So anyways, I thought I'd update you. I'll give you another next update in the next couple of hours, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Wonderful people. So we got gold right here, right now. We've obviously taps our area of interest. However, it has rejected, man, like 40 points off the table. So anyways, what are we going to do? Honestly, I don't really like it when I prefer to see like candles on top. The only thing I'll say is that obviously we have to wait for now the 4-hour to close. So what I'm thinking with the 4-hour is, if we close below 86.75, we could potentially see a continuation down. Yeah. If that's not the case, then potentially price could obviously continue pushing up. Yeah. So we're gonna wait to see how the 4-hour closes. We've got 15 minutes just to show you, because I suppose I've been doing this now for
the past few weeks. Date and time GST. No, GST, BMT. Oh my God. BMT, BST, British Summer Time. Okay, it is 2:47 on Thursday, the 3rd of April. So let's see how it plays out. So far, no trades have been taken. I've already showed you guys while I was in the kitchen. And yeah, this is the first thing. If we do close below, then we could potentially see for example, if we break out, close back in the no. If we break out, no, we have to close underneath 867, 675. So if we do end up closing back in the range, then obviously we'll wait for the bullish engulfing on the 1 hour, right? And we'll see how we go from there. Next thing. The next opportunity I'm seeing is quite interesting. This is GBP USD. This is the first currency I ever traded when I started Forex trading. So pretty much we've approached this area. Oh my God, whoa, my line, man. I need to zoom out a bit more. So we approached this area aggressively, yeah, the past few days now. So what I saw was that we rejected close back in the range on the 4 hour. What does that mean to me? So that means to me, we could potentially continue coming down. However, this is the 2 o'clock close, right? So we need to, because the market's bullish, what do we need to do? We need to wait for the 1 hour engulfing, yeah? So price is currently here. Um, I'm waiting. I haven't taken any positions yet. Pardon me. So just waiting. So this one we're gonna put at the top because we could potentially come all the way back down to the bottom. GBP CAD. I couldn't get my entry, man. I'm not gonna front to you. I couldn't get my entry. Price was moving too crazy. I think, right? We're approaching the 4 hour again. Yeah, this means we could potentially enter buys again. So that means we need to wait. Well, we need to wait for the 4 hours, to be honest. We need to wait for the 4 hours for strong confirmation. USD JPY dropping. USD CAD dropping. We didn't get the retest, as you can see. Okay, GBP JPY approaching this area of interest. We're gonna have to wait for the 4 hour to close. So we'll put this one on top just in case it does. Euro CAD, nothing. Yeah, not really. I don't like that candle. I feel like we can come down. So we have to wait for a bearish on the thing on the 4 hour. And yes, the GBP NZD. Now, yeah, again, waiting for the 4 hour to waiting for the 4 hour. AUD USD. You do your thing, mate. I mean, yeah, we have to wait for these 4 hour candles to close, you know. Let's see. Euro JPY. Bearish candle, we need to wait for it. Euro USD, yeah, nothing. Nothing. Well, yeah, nothing. NZD CAD, nothing. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, nothing. Oh, wait, hold on. AUD CAD. We broke. Okay, this one looks like we're very close. So I'm gonna put you. I'll put you on top. Ha 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 ha. Actually, where are we? Okay, my trading view is lagging. Sorry about that. Oh, oh, oh. We don't trade these pairs yet. USD CHF? No. NZD CAD. Yeah, so okay. Euro GBP, nothing. USD CHF, nothing. Nothing. And we have to wait for a brush kind of, bro. I'll put you up there. And then if you see the dollar is just dropping nice and slowly. Well, no, not nice and slowly, nice and aggressively. So, anyways, nothing much to report, guys. The 4 hours closing, so we'll wait and see. I'll update you on the Telegram. There'll be updates on the Telegram, obviously. And yeah, we'll go from there. So, oh, actually, I should mention. So, I'm going to go to a trial shift. So, I'm not going to be active on my phone from what time? Oh, 1 second. I think the video just finished exporting. I messed up. Pause. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, as I was mentioning, so I've got a trial shift today. I'm going to be leaving my house at around 4:30 p.m. And I will not be active until maybe like until maybe 9 or 10. I said to Lorenzo that I'm gonna try to speak with the manager and see if not speak with the manager, sorry. I said to Lorenzo that I'm gonna try and work my best so that then they could just say, oh, we've seen your work and we like you and we'll take you. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna like I promise you guys, I'm gonna make sure to try and be as fast as possible. Like that's the plan. So anyways, I'll see. Yeah, again, catch you later. Hopefully not too late, but we'll make sure to give updates if we get into any positions. And yeah, why not? I'll give a market update on the 4 hour close we've got. It's in 7 minutes, so it might be fast.
Here's me being silly again. So, oh my God. Yeah, pretty much. I'm just I'm trying to manage the trade in the moment. Like, if you see the stupidness I got myself into, you'll see. Where's my phone? Oh, fucking hell. Okay, sorry, excuse my language. Yo. Oh, man, listen, yo, give me a break, yeah? Give me a bloody break. So, right now, it's 3:37 and, 1 second, load up. This is where we're at right now. I've entered GBP USD sells. I've entered the gold sells. So yeah, I know where my mental my mental stop loss is gonna be. So it's fine. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna wait for candles to close, bro. And guys, I'm gonna wait for candles to close, guys, and then we'll just go from there. We'll see how it plays out. If it plays out in our favor, well done. If it doesn't play out in our favor, it's fine. Stop losses have been put in place, so it's just a matter of waiting. What the fuck? Oh yeah, 2, 3. Yeah. It's just a matter of waiting, seeing where we go from here. Crazy. It's crazy, but for me, I think the worst part would be for example, gold would be to just open buys. But yeah, anyways, we'll wait and see what happens. My first gold trade got stop loss got hit. So yeah, that was peak. But yeah, something no, I'm not gonna say something told me, bro. Like I was just being silly. So anyways, we'll wait and see what happens, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So guys, I'm currently on my way to an interview. No sunglasses today because by the time I get home, it's gonna be nighttime. So that's probably like a shit excuse. Yeah, I didn't think about bringing sunglasses. I didn't really want to rock it, but we out here. So before I show you what I'm supposed to show you, yeah, you would have seen that I'd done something very silly. Like half an hour ago or an hour ago, but we managed to resolve the problem. We knew that there's no FOMO, and we didn't. Sorry about zooming into my lips. We didn't get into buys, so currently it's 4:39, and we are in GBP USD sells. So currently the position is at £9 and floating. Let's see how we go. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. I don't know how while I'm at the trial shift, but yeah, I'll do what I can. Man, I just bumped into Molin and Mustafa from like Valentine's, one gym I used to go, and it was crazy. Apparently, they know wait, they know me as Mr. Baby Oil. Yeah. Now, the reason why is because when I met them, it was summertime, and I used to say to him, "Oh yeah, let's go Shoreditch Baby Oil, bam bam bam," like this, just you know, what I'm saying, look shiny, make the body look shiny, right? And then that's how they remembered me. So, anyways, yeah, I just bumped into them, and just yeah, good man, great guys. So hopefully I'll link up with them and we'll be at the gym. Maybe we'll do like a video vlog about that. But yeah, anyways, I will give you a trade update as soon as I get out of the workplace, probably in like, yeah, maybe 9 o'clock.
We are back. So for anyone wanting to know if the trial shift went all right, they said to me, "Oh, yeah, do you like the place and stuff?" I was like, "Yeah, I like the place. I'll be happy to work with you guys." So hopefully I'll be getting started on Tuesday. We'll wait and see. For now, trade update. So I forget. I need to. Okay, ignore this. I was literally trying to call Lorenzo on the Google Meet. BST, British Summertime. It's 10:03. It's 10:03, guys. It's 10:03. I've just dropped the video for the part one. It was a bit late, but better late than never. I was supposed to continue, but I got lost in the trade because obviously I was being silly and stuff. But as you can see, we managed to sort it out. Anyways, so obviously price done as we expected. However, yeah, we kind of got this blip. So I am gonna consider closing the position depending on how I want to proceed with the exit plan. I'm currently looking at 1.30570 to close the position. But yeah, it's just a matter of waiting. So, anyways, aside from that, um, I didn't get charged a lot of money for this time for the swap fees. I got charged minus 0.01 for each position, which is great. I was very happy. I was very, very happy when I saw that. Which I find strange. I got charged £1.30 for sales. Was it sales on USD JPY? Anyways, yeah, so swap fees are relevant. I'm blabbing again. So yeah, that happened, and then now the conditions. So a quick explanation with gold. So this is where it gets a bit tricky, yeah. So basically, price closed back inside the range. Yes, it closed back in the range. Now, it's quite delicate, this situation. I'm not gonna front. It's very delicate. I think we have to make sure that we get indicators that will lead us to believe that we will come back and retest. Either we might retest the 50s area or not. But the main thing I think is that we must be patient and make sure that we make the right decisions because this area where we're at is, man, it's a key area, you know. Let me just delete this stuff. So now we pretty much have like lots of areas to like break. I think that I'm not gonna due to volatility, I think depending on what we get in the Asian session. Like if we get some clear 4 hour candles, 4 hour indicators, and that's from the 3 a.m. closure, 3 a.m. 4 hour candle, and the 7 a.m. candle closure, then maybe we could potentially see like any opportunities to enter. However, yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, I haven't really got any other markets of interest, I think. So, oh my God, we got the retest? No way. But it didn't break that much though. Pardon me. Um, oh, that's crazy, man. Okay, we'll have to wait and see about that. I'm not really too sure. We'll have to wait and see. GJ, nothing. Okay, GBP CAD. Maybe something. Maybe. I mean, price did close back in the range. Um, ooh. Ooh. I'm looking at these candle closures, man. Damn. Damn. It's tricky, boy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Um, how's the weekly looking? Mm, yeah, I would assume that this is gonna be bullish, but hey, maybe we can try. I don't know. 61. So maybe if we decrease, bring the stops a bit more further towards here, and then all right, so like that, maybe this could be an opportunity for price to work its magic. Maybe. Um, I think we have lots of clean range to come up. But then it kind of goes against my yeah, you know what? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Because one thing I keep doing in the pre-market post-market analysis is that I see price closing back in the range and I don't act upon it. So we're gonna act upon it. We're gonna see how it goes. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't go, then obviously we'll see price closing back in the range and yeah, it's not gonna be cool. But yeah, so okay, we'll give this a shot and then we shall see. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna put wow, look, all my alerts have been triggered. Of course they have. Clean it up. No alerts. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna put an alert here, and then we'll wait for the bullish engulfing, and we will probably buy. Uh, bro, I hate seeing this. Whenever the candle doesn't close in my area of interest, I don't like it. USD JPY. Oh wow, look, first bullish candle since the US has spoken about these tariffs. USD CAD. Wow, no retest. Congratulations. How do you feel? Um, okay, CAD JPY. We retested the support. Do you think we will continue pushing down? Potentially, potentially. How did the daily close? Oof. Mm, maybe. Okay. Oh, look at that. Would you say that the resistance got retested? Maybe. Maybe. Anyways, let me leave this stuff. I'll do this stuff when I'm by myself. Like, okay, this one will be the last one that we look at together, and then we'll go from there. Uh, yeah, okay, cool. So potentially we could come down here and potentially enter buy. So I'll put an alert here as well. Okay, fine. That's done. So this one I'll put at the top. So we're gonna look to buy this. We're gonna look to buy this one. AUD CAD. We are going to not touch you. CAD JPY. What do you think, Sunshine? What do you think? Honestly, man, I feel like we're gonna get played, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like price is closing back in the range. Yeah, I think we have to wait for the next bullish candle and then we can potentially say, yes, let's go inside. Let's go inside. And then, yeah, gold. I can't lie. It's a sticky one, man. Um, Obviously this 4 hour didn't close exactly poorly. Otherwise, yeah, maybe buying now would be quite nice. Mm, but yeah, okay, we'll wait for, you know what, maybe it's gonna continue to push up. Not drastically high, but maybe at least to like 28. The only thing is this area as well. If it closes back inside here, hmm. So what are you thinking? Wait for the next bullish candle? Maybe, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll wait until 3 o'clock and we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna keep the 4 hour open on here, and then on my other screen, I'm gonna keep the which one? Because I'm British, I'm gonna do GBP CAD. You know, when people ask, "Oh, what do you trade?" I trade the pound. No, I'm joking. No, that's probably immature. That's very immature. That was very immature. Anyways, yeah, let's see. So yeah, GBP CAD. I'm gonna put the 30-minute time frame. No, four. We'll put a 4 hour. We'll see how it goes. And then yeah, I've got GBP USD on my main screen, so like where I'm executing the orders. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, well, that's all from me today. We shall see you tomorrow for hopefully a fantastic and strict day in the markets. All right, good morning. So, guys, as you can see, our TP got like, so let me just show. So basically, as you saw, yeah, so we had the TP here, right? And then I was thinking, you know what, like the market's bullish, the daily closed bullish. However, the 4 hour, this is where like I should have probably put the TP here. That would have probably been much better. Um, Definitely something I'll take on board for next time. So I pretty much closed because I thought like our price is gonna probably continue to is gonna maybe push up, and because even I saw like the 4 hour close rejecting this, but yeah. Anyways, I think we caught like 900 pips anyways. So no, not no, 900 pips. 71. Yeah, 900 pips. So whatever, man. I mean, it's definitely something that I'll make sure to take note on for the post market analysis tomorrow. So oh yeah, I forgot to mention. So is day 15 also is day 15 in the challenge. And yeah, it's the final day for week 3, day in time BST. So it's currently 10 past 9. Um yeah, so anyways, I also closed because I wanted to enter this trade. I didn't enter it yet, but yeah, I'm bullish on the GBP CAD. The only thing is that why I haven't entered this position yet is because yeah, that was another factor as well. So basically sorry, I closed the GBP USD because I was preparing to buy GBP CAD. And yeah, anyways, and the other factors as well also are included in like why I closed the position. So I'm currently looking for buys. The only thing is that yeah, we kind of closed like this on the daily, so this candle, and then the 4 hour we closed bullish. However, we're currently closing bearish, and as you can see, we're rejecting the support. So I don't know, maybe the entry might have to be like around here if the worst comes to worst. I don't know if that's enough. So maybe if I put the stop loss like here and then bring this down a tad more like that, maybe that can work. Looking at historic price, it's literally okay. I need to power up my plan apparently. So yeah, anyways. So yeah, maybe we can enter buys around this level. But again, I want to wait for like a good confirmation. I don't really want to just get into the position for no reason. I'm just thinking, yeah, that can run. The only thing I'm thinking is that, bro, we could even come all the way down to 82807. So yeah, you know what? I'm feeling bad that I closed my fucking I feel bad that I closed my flipping sells now, man. Because if this is the case, then the pound must be weak, G. So, wow. Anyways, it's fine. It's done. It's done. I think so. Not I think, but we are currently at like 149 pounds. If only this was on the first week, you know. And I'm playing, anyways. Um. So yeah, currently just waiting for like a stronger confirmation with the 4 hours. So how that would work would be um waiting for this candle to close, then waiting for the next one to close, which is at 2 o'clock, and then we'll go from there. The only thing is that I think the only, yeah, I don't know if there'll be like any volatility, bro, any volatility, guys, after like 6 o'clock. I don't really want to hold the trade over the weekend, so I might not even take this trade, you know. Eurocad, wow, Eurocad came all the way back to entry. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my God. I wasn't expecting that. I wanted to get this entry as well. Um, yeah, for me, the same thing here as well, then, if that's the case. GUP card, yeah. If we can come back come back here. Is it there? Yeah. The area was on the 30 minute. If we can come back around this area, then I'll definitely be willing to take some buys. So yeah, we just have to wait and see. I'm not gonna rush into the position. I'm just gonna wait for the confirmation. Um, CAD JPY, oof. Any bullish candles? Not yet. GJ is currently bearish. Um, yeah, I feel like 189 is gonna 188 might get tapped. But candle confirmations, yeah, I suppose. But let's see, we retested this area. Okay, wait, hold on. Maybe we will take this. Bro, we tested this area. Nah, man, no, no, no. The candles don't look that clean. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't go, then whatever. If we got a cleaner breakout, then maybe I would have taken the trade, but no, that's not the case. GBP NZD, oh, it's pushing, man. And you know what I noticed is what I noticed is that literally the wicks just tap and that's it, it goes. Um, okay, so gold, marvelous gold, pretty much the 4 hours closing in 1 hour. And yeah, it's this one is a bit tricky. I can't front. I'm not gonna front because the daily close like this broke out, closed back in the range. So I mean, I would like to give a try for buys at around this area, but yeah, it's a bit of a sticky one because there's NFP and if he was in the Telegram, then you'll probably see it when I show the MetaTrader. But I tried to take buys this morning, and then I thought, you know what, maybe price is gonna come back down. So I'm glad I was right because if we got here, I would have continued holding and seen this retracement, and I probably would have got stopped out. So it's good. I'm just thinking like we could even see a double bottom. To be fair, we could come down to 60. I think we could come back and retest this area, you know. I think we can come back and retest the 50s area. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably hold back on this one until we get like a strong confirmation. But yeah, it's a bit tricky right now. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the market update. I've already handed you my trade update. So yeah, we just have to wait and see how we approach the markets if we get the confirmation we want. If look, you can see if I bought, bro, would have been cooked. So yeah, just waiting. I don't know if I'll take the entry from after 11 o'clock on gold. Um, I think there's definitely a great risk reward if that is the case. Maybe what I might do is let's see. Mm, let's see, 46 to 51. Mm, I'm just thinking the 1 hours. No, I'm not gonna sell. Um, yeah, I'm just trying to see where would we get like. All right, so let's say for example we do 40, yeah. If we put the range here, let's say 31. Wait, let's see if 31 makes sense. Um, 3,000, 27. Daily 56. Oh, maybe. You think he'll come all the way down there? Nah. Let's give this a try, innit? Um, all right, let's try 51. And then yeah, if 51 doesn't work, then we'll get out. So I'll put an order for 51. 51. And then yeah, 51, 51. And then if that's wrong, then we'll just if that's wrong, then we'll wait for our usual entry signal. So I'm gonna put the order now. Say by 51.89. You know what's so crazy? Imagine if it goes all the way down. That would be crazy. Hmm, let's see. Oh yeah. So, anyways, I'll do that and then leave you guys. For now, though, yes. Catch you later. I'm gonna be going to the park. I didn't go to the gym today, so yeah. Catch you later.
Yes, guys. So we made it to the park right now, and yeah, it's a bit of a sticky one right now. I've decided I'm just gonna go with my like my mind and say, you know what, let's give this a shot. So everybody's saying, oh, gold is gonna go up, gold is gonna go up, ratata. So I thought, you know what, if everybody thinks gold is gonna go up, yeah, then I'm gonna be the one to trade against that momentum. And obviously, if price closes back in the range, then I'll definitely consider to close the position, considering. But if we continue to get confirmation that price is gonna push down, then obviously we'll hold the sells. So currently it's 10:14, right? It's a bit late for me, so I'm gonna need to be fast in the park. I don't know how, but we'll do it. And currently this is where we're at, right? I'm waiting for my next confirmation. I'm gonna open another one, and we're gonna hit it off. We're gonna either go big or go home. Guys, it's crazy out here. Like, I got in the sales too early. I didn't even put a stop loss because I thought like it was just gonna continue coming down. That was a big mistake. So I had to hedge the position while I was in the park. I hedged the position twice, open buys twice, so I managed to catch some buys, which I'll show. Price reached an area of interest for me, so I opened sales at 129. Let me give you a proper trade update. Okay, so pardon me. So right now it's 12:54, and bro, guys, basically the account's like this. Yeah, you can see this is what the account's at right now. I might need to hedge the position one more time, but I'm not gonna hedge the position yet. I'm waiting for the 15-minute candle to close. I'm not even waiting for the 15-minute actually. I'm waiting for the 1 hour. The 1 hour is gonna be closing soon. It looks like the 15 might be closing back in the range to push up, but I'm not really trying to get involved in any. I'm not trying to hedge any more positions. Like, I think it's either make or break at this point with the trades. So yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll definitely try to hedge the positions as smart as possible. I don't want to make any more bad decisions. I think that yeah, that's it. So we'll wait and see. Call me what you want, yeah. It's 104. I'm just updating you because the 30-minute close bearish, and I'm following my analysis how I usually do, and I've opened another sell. There you go. 108.5. I've opened another sell. Let's see how it goes. Currently, the position in total is like this. This is what you would call dynamic risk. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So we have officially closed the position. We have closed the sells. It is currently 3:47. To be quite frank, actually, I closed the positions. Let me check when I made the update on Telegram. That was at 3:04. So 43 minutes ago. 43 minutes ago, maybe 45. I closed the position. I could have held it for a bit longer, but let me just, before I show you, yeah, like what my mind was going through. So I've been in the sales, as you know, since probably 10 o'clock. And I suffered like a drawdown of like 50 points, 60 points. So, yeah, 60 points, maybe even 70. So I said, wait, no, maybe that's a stretch actually. My maths is bad, that's why. 50, 60 point drawdown, whatever. First of all, which is not good. And then second of all, yeah, what can I say? It was getting a bit hard. Like I had to hedge the positions a bit. So I think my first hedging was around when I just arrived at the park. And then my second hedging was on the way home from the park. And yeah, literally I think I started to get a bit impatient, like especially after after NF. So I think I started fading away from having patience to hold the trade. So price approached like 59, and then after that it retraced, and I thought, okay, it came to 59, I didn't close it. Let me just wait and see what happens if I hold hold until the next move down. And I said to myself mentally, okay, what would happen if price actually reversed? Like, would you, bro? Already I was thinking, guys. Already I was thinking, I'm gonna just press buy if the price decides to reverse. So I was planning to hedge again. This time more, because bearing in mind I've opened an extra two positions, so the risk would have been much higher. So, anyways, yeah. So it's currently 3:49, and the account is at £119 and floating. And the trades of today, these are all of the trades of today. If you want to pause it and take a look. So yeah, you can see here today we made £191. Well, £190, I should say. Sorry. Yeah, man, it's definitely cool. I'm gonna transfer over to the bed because I realized I think instead of maybe doing like a actually no, I'll do a post market talk for Friday, like seeing the entire day. So I mean would it make sense to say like a post market analysis maybe? Yeah, so guys, I think this week was a very like in school when they say to you when you're being bad, yeah, and then they say to you, you're skating on thin ice, right? I think that there's I think I think that defines the whole week, That definitely defines the whole week. Starting from Monday, right? Where we would add bro the account balance was at £30. The account balance was at £30, guys. And then we made it to we made the gold trade, took it to like 70, and then I think we got to like Wednesday and we nearly lost everything. Like everything. And then yeah, we managed to scale it up. I'm gonna say thanks to Donald Trump. Hopefully I don't get blocked for that. But yeah, anyways. And then after that, yeah, man. Yesterday was a bit chilled, I think. I don't know if I done anything I shouldn't have yesterday, but let's check. Last week. Yeah, I mean, I think the 3rd of March. So I took cells, free cells. Yeah, so yesterday was a bit borderline. We managed to get out of the gold cells and stick with the what's it called? The GBP USD. That one was unfortunate, but anyways, like I need to learn how to hold my positions correctly, I think. Yeah, 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 definitely. But yeah, thin ice, man, thin ice for sure. Because Wednesday was definitely like high risk, like high risk, man. Like words cannot describe. If you haven't seen the live stream, check out the live stream. You'll see like the reactions and everything like live. And then oh man, even there wasn't a bit live. The Asian session, oh my god, I would have got obliterated. Like it was crazy. And then maybe I can chill here like this. Sorry, the video cut off. Because my arm was getting tired, Like it was getting very tired. So I'm sorry. But yeah, like it was I don't want to go through that again. Like I really don't want to go through that again. Today was quite different because like I strongly believed that like gold was gonna go down. I think it's still oh wow. It went to 28 and it came back up. Fuck yeah. Excuse my language. Wow. You see, for me, if I saw it go to 26, yeah, I would have thought, you know what? This is definitely going to come to 3,000. I would have held it. I'm not going to lie. So, because you see a retracement like that, yeah, you see a 20 pip retracement, yeah, especially holding it since 10 o'clock in the morning. That would have cooked me. I would have. I don't know what I would have done. Honestly, I swear to God. Well, I swear, I don't know what I would have done. So No, I'm very grateful for closing the position. But yeah, back to the risking. Like, yeah, I need to make sure that I avoid these scenarios, like, for sure. It wasn't ideal. Um, it wasn't ideal. I'll give a full breakdown tomorrow, like, on how I actually feel, and um what could have been better for sure tomorrow, with more clarity. But aside from that, I mean, day 15 is over. I'm not trading anymore. I'm done. I think that I think we should respect and appreciate where we're at right now. I think that we definitely could have made more. We definitely could have lost everything. Um, and yeah, I think we just have to make sure that next week we come back better and more accurate. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is day 15 over, and we shall see you next week for part 4.